Algae introduction. Etymology. The word algae have been derived from Greek word, phykos, which means seaweeds. Therefore, study of algae is called phycology. Definition. Algae can be defined as eukaryotic, chlorophyllous, unicellular or multicellular organisms in which plant body is thallus and develop from zygote. Or plant-like organisms in which sex organs are unicellular or multicellular. When multicellular, all cells are fertile. Characteristics. Habitat. Basically found in damp environment, ice, hot springs, oceans, ponds, lakes, streams. Unicellular algae frequently occur in water, especially in plankton. Phytoplankton is the population of free-floating microorganisms composed primarily of unicellular algae. In addition, algae may occur in moist soil or on the surface of moist rocks and woods. Algae also live with fungi. This association is called lichens. Autotrophism. Algae are autotrophs, i.e., it prepares its own food. Algae are photosynthetic protists, carry out 50 to 60% of all the photosynthesis on Earth. Plant body. Algae are eukaryotic organisms that have no true root stem and leaves and lack xylem and phloem. Their body is called thallus. They may be unicellular, multicellular or filamentous. Pigments. In addition to chlorophyll A and B, yellow and orange carotenes which are found in all algae, other algal phyla possesses a variety of other pigments such as xanthophylls and phycoerythrin that are also important in photosynthesis. Classification into phyla is largely based on the pigment composition. Nutrition. Most algae are photoautotrophic and carry on photosynthesis. Some are chemoaterotrophic and obtain energy from chemical reactions and nutrients from organic matter. Most species are saprobes, and some are parasites. Reproduction. Its members show all type of reproduction, i.e. vegetative, sexual and asexual. In vegetative reproduction, fragmentation and cell division is involved. In asexual reproduction, spores are formed. Spores production takes place by mitosis. Zoospores, aplanospores and akinets are formed almost in all groups of algae. Binary fission also takes place as in bacteria. Sexual reproduction is of three types: isogamy, anisogamy and oogamy. In isogamy, gametes are of same size, structure and shape. In anisogamy, gametes are different in size, structure and shape. In oogamy, egg and antherozoids are formed in specialized structures called oogonium and antheridium respectively. Alternation of generation. Algae forms differentiated sex cells that fuse to produce diploid zygote which develops to sexual spores and gametes. When conditions are favorable, they form haploid organisms. This pattern of reproduction is called alternation of generation.